Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 lines on tornado. So let's get started. A tornado is a powerful rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Tornadoes are often referred to as twisters or cyclones. They can occur anywhere in the world but are most common in the United States. Tornadoes are categorized by their wind speed and the amount of damage they cause. The Enhanced Fujita Scale (EF scale) is used to rate tornadoes based on their wind speeds and damage. Tornadoes can be very destructive, causing damage to homes, buildings, and other structures. They can also cause injury and death to people and animals in their path. Tornadoes typically occur during the spring and summer months but can occur at any time of the year. It is important to have a plan in case a tornado warning is issued for your area. If you are in the path of a tornado, seek shelter in a sturdy building or underground shelter immediately. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful for you, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video.